right information to run a successful hair business. In this package, you'll be getting one of my suppliers' contacts. You'll be getting to know how to double check the air quality right there in the factory, even before they ship it to you, and so much more. Two people will also be getting 2 kg of single donor hairs. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kristyanah, a Nigerian-based YouTuber, and on this channel we do basically everything business and beauty related videos. So if you're all about making money, this channel is where you want to be. So guys, I toured Vietnamese factories during the time when most of these factories were literally out of stock, and I got to learn a lot. One of which is getting to know the best time to place order from these factories in order for me to get the best from them. I was in Vietnam for days, for like a couple of days, and I had to start chatting these factories up if they've actually restocked. I'll be putting a screenshot of that on the screen just so that you guys see that I'm not even lying and I'm not joking. I also got to learn how to communicate effectively with these factories in order for me to get the best airs, which I want to share with other people that are into the business or that want to start the business. I also got to know the use of keratin, how to use it, when to use it on these Vietnamese hairs and so much other hairs. I know the business is booming, the hair business industry is a booming business right now, and everybody want to have a slice of the cake. But if you don't tread softly, I can tell you for a fact that you're definitely going to run at a loss, and I don't want my people to perish. If you're not like this video already, what are you waiting for? Like this video, share, and do all those good stuff so that this algorithm can push this video to other amazing women out there who are willing to watch it and venture into the hair business. I know a lot of people want to venture into the hair business but do not have the right knowledge and information to proceed, and I'm here to help. I'll be holding an online masterclass on hair importation, and this is for everyone. I mean, it is for everyone that is interested in venturing into the business, everybody that is in the business already but do not have the right information. Everyone is involved, and I'll be glad to share every information I've got with you all. So guys, the masterclass outline include how to import hairs from various countries, including China, Vietnam, Cambodia. I mean, any country you intend to import from, India inclusive. I'll also be covering hair pricing. Pricing is a huge part of this business, which determines the profits that you're going to make. I'll be talking about pricing. I will also be telling you how to effectively communicate your order with these factories in order for you to get the best out of them. And more also, you will be getting one of my suppliers contacts in Vietnam. Also, I'll be teaching you how to create a niche for yourself in this masterclass. It's not everybody that should go into the study of weaves, like the regular weaves. You can go into different aspects of this business that people are not even exploring that much. I will also be teaching you how to actually create a luxury unit on your own without having to color, without having to do coloring jobs, but using the bonus that you have, how to make it look luxurious will actually be explained to you in this masterclass. A lot of people are running at a loss in this business because they do not have the right information, or they do not have the right supplier, or they order at the wrong time of the year. And when you place order at the wrong time of the year, when these factories are out of stock, they will not tell you that they are out of stock. They will process whatever thing they have at hand and send to you, which is at your own loss. 2 months ago, when I was traveling to Vietnam, 2 to 3 people actually reached out to me to help them with refund, that I should take their bad hairs this factory sent to them back to Vietnam on their behalf and ask for refund from these factories. So you need the right knowledge, and this is why this masterclass is so important for you. All this goodness and lots more will be shared and discussed during this masterclass. I know you don't want to miss this for anything, because if you know me, you know that I don't gatekeep. I will let every of the information out, and I want everyone to be there. I want everyone that intend to start this business, everyone that needs knowledge about making their business move forward, to be there. And this is why I'm giving it out at a very discounted price of 15,000 naira from now till the 15th of October. I'll be putting the dollar equivalent on the screen right now. If you're watching from outside Nigeria, the link to actually register for this class will be down below, and you don't want to miss it. From 15th to 30th of October, when the class will start, it's going to be for 30,000 naira. It's going to be double the price. If you do not pay from now to 15th, it will be double the price from 15th to 30th. And I hope you know what to do, right? You want to watch down to the link below and register for this course. And guess what, guys? At the end of this course, 2 people will be going home with 2 kg of single donor hairs. If you need all this information and you truly want to venture in this business, you know what to do right now. Go to the link in the description box of this video. It's going to take you to the website where you're going to make payments for this masterclass, make payments online, and you'll be added to the class.